we're gonna work on these. We're gonna cut the zip ties, take out all the tape, and then take off the old connectors, and then we're gonna rip off the old fender liner. Luckily it didn't get damaged from the wiring. Actually, it just got damaged from the harness, and I believe this one just pops right off. So this is it, right side. Look how effed up it got. It just got shredded. Right side. So this is the right side. Please connect it. Oh wait, I'm connecting it the wrong way. And then there you go. You heard the snap. This one is actually working. So let's just put it right there aside. And then now let's get to the fender liner. This is gonna be the fun part. So let me just set you guys up in a good spot and we'll go from there. So it's 3 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3. 1 bolt right there. 4. 1 bolt right there. 5. I don't have that bolt though, I got ripped off. And there's 1 bolt back there, right there. 6. And I think there should be like 1 right here, but as you can see, these got ripped off. So let me just unbolt all of them and take this fender liner off. Oh, then there's 1 down there too. But as you can see, it got ripped off. So let me just take all of them off. So there's actually a couple more bolts. I guess there's 2 right there in the bottom. And then this part looks good. It's just the front part that got messed up. And then there's 1 more bolt. It was not really a bolt, but it was like a cap that gets thrown in there. So this is how it looks like. Look at all that dirt and stuff. Okay, and then if you guys were wondering why I'm replacing it, basically it got shredded right here, all this part. And then if you see that, that's the part that hit the ground. And I thought it was like detached, but it's all one piece. So it just got ripped right off. So let's just reinstall this. This one's a little bit worse. I only have 1 bolt and it just got shredded. So let's take it apart. Okay, I was able to take it off. There's just 1 dumb bolt that was super stuck on there. But as you can see, this one got shredded way more. I did a cheap fix and I used tape. They just got shredded. I used tape on the other side too. And then right here the same thing. It's temporary. So this one got all effed up. That one's going to the trash. And then this is a new one. As you can see. So let's install this one. Then once again, let me just show you. It looks pretty badass. It reminds me of what's that guy with the Ferrari FRS BRZ? Just because of this part. but my car is nowhere close to it. Yeah, let me just reinstall it. I'm probably not gonna record just because it's such a tight squeeze.